We will guide you through how to create table on AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting AutoCAD from the Start menu. Start a new drawing by clicking New, or open an existing drawing where you want to create the table and chairs. Go to the Home tab and select the Rectangle command. Draw a rectangle to create the backrest of the chair. Type arc in the command line and select the 3-point option. Create the arc by selecting the first side, the top center, and the opposite side of the backrest. Type copy and duplicate the rectangle together with the arc. Type explode and select the copied objects. Type trim to remove the unwanted portions of the rectangle, and arc. Type erase and delete the unnecessary objects to complete the backrest shape. Type fillet, enter a radius of 50, and round the required corners of the backrest. Use the line command to draw a vertical line below the backrest, then draw a horizontal line to connect the chair frame. Type offset, enter 10, and offset the selected lines. Type rectangle and draw the chair's seat. Type offset, enter 25, and offset the seat rectangle toward the inside. Use the rectangle command to draw the arm support on one side of the chair. Use the line command to connect the arm support to the seat rectangle. Apply fillet between the seat rectangle and the arm support. Type mirror and mirror the arm support to the opposite side of the chair. Type rectangle and draw the table between the completed chairs. Type fillet, enter the desired radius, and round the table corners. Type hatch and apply a hatch pattern inside the table rectangle. Save the drawing by pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed table and chair layout.